Alright, so here we are working on these valence pieces for this new Chevy Corvette Z06. You can see I'm taking the time to meticulously polish these pieces. We're also doing some panel prep solutions as well. And then we're going to put on our Crystal Serum Ultra coating, followed by our EXO version 5 coating. So you can see me doing all of that in this video. And even though the pieces are brand spanking new carbon fiber pieces, it really made a massive difference in how they looked overall and how they will shine and repel dirt, bugs, etc. on this vehicle over the time of the vehicle's life. As always, if you're looking to get something done, you know where to call us at. We are at 920-450-2085.